Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. One account. We only using one account. So the reason why we only using one account is because it would sort of emulate with beginners or people who are just starting with so you will get results similar to what I'm showing on screen, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more, but it should be similar somewhat. And that's why I'm using one account. And before we get started though, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Link in the description below if you're interested in following along. Let's go. Alright, so first and foremost, let's talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 business here. I like promoting the $25 business because it's essentially a very, very good funnel builder. And if you're any type of marketer or any kind of affiliate marketer in particular, you know you need a funnel builder. Like, you need some sort of funnel builder to help you kind of keep up with your customers and help you sell and stuff. And it's a very good funnel builder for $25. No limitations in it at all. You can make as many funnels you want. You can put as many domains in as you want. It's very easy to make subdomains, all kinds of stuff like that. You don't have to worry about it for $25. I'm gonna tell you now, most funnel builders out there right now, you might can get their beginner pack for $25. You can make like one funnel or something. You might can get that. And the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month with all kind of limitations. Like, you can't make as many funnels as you want. You can't fit as many domains as you want to it. It's a ton of limitations. There's even a limitation how many people can see your funnel. That means that after a certain point, they'll just shut it down if you ain't paid. They'll shut it down after a certain amount of people see your funnel, which is ridiculous to me. I can't believe I used to pay for that. And if you want everything, you got to pay $300. And that was just asinine. That's asinine compared to this. And I think this is a much better product. And the number one reason why I think people are interested in the $25 all-in-one digital business, and I think the reason why you guys are probably clicking on this video, and the reason why I was initially interested in promoting the $25 business, is because of this affiliate system, which is the best I don't heard ever, which is $25 per month. I mean 80% recurring commissions. What did I say? I'm sorry. 80% recurring commissions is what I meant to say. Which is absolutely insane. And there's no other affiliate system even close to that. Even the closest to that, if you can get half that, it's pretty shockingly good. It's very good to get 40% recurring commissions. That's actually really well done. But I'm gonna tell you now, it's usually a lot lower than that. So even half of that is good. So 80% recurring is absolutely insane, guys. It's very easy to make money with this product, and that's the reason why I promote it. But anyway, guys, let's go and see what the results are. Now, normally at the beginning of the month, I've noticed that I don't really get any sales at the beginning of the month because I don't have any resales in that area either. So I probably won't make anything, but we're gonna hit refresh and see what happens here. Okay, guys, there's been no sale yesterday. That's absolutely fine because this is predictable. I got to get some sales in this area first before I start making sales, making money. I noticed that I do kind of at the beginning of the month, but then it start ramping up as the month go through. But yeah, also make sure people refresh their page to show you real results, because it's very easy to fake all of these stats. But anyway, guys, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna go on to My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're gonna put all the links there, all the okay, and then we're gonna go with their results. You know what we're gonna do, guys? We're gonna go with this email here. Making money the first week. These usually perform very well. It's a very well performing email here for me. So we're gonna send it. And anyway, guys, if you're interested in copying, just pause the video. I'm gonna show the whole email real quick. Just pause it, copy. That's it. That's the whole email there. Also, make sure to put your link right here. Very easy to put in your link there. You get your link from here. And you go down, all in 125 bid right here. This is where your link is at. All right, guys. So you can just put that in there. That'd be good right there. All right, so guys, we're gonna send this email. Make sure to hit perfect timing. Make sure you preview. What perfect timing does is it sends the email around the time people are interested in checking their emails. So like somebody check it at 8 a.m. it'll show up at the top of the list instead of like some people have a ton of emails, so it'll show up at the top of the list, so there's a better chance of them checking it. See what I'm saying? But anyway, guys, make sure to preview. Make sure your link works. Your link don't work, there's no point in doing this. So I know mine worked. I already sent this email. So anyway, guys, you just send it, boom, you're done. 5 minutes every day, maybe even less than that. Once you start getting some emails loaded into the system, a lot less than that. I say get about, what works for me is about a good 10 to 15 emails to rotate through. I think that's a good amount. Because by the time you go back to your last email, new people are in the system, you know what I mean? And sometimes some people might not see the email or something. You know, they might just erase everything. They might not check, and they got another chance of looking at the email. So this is where it worked for me. Get about 10, 15 emails in the system and just rotate. And that works. Okay, guys, that's all there is to it, guys. Like I stated before, the links are in the description. You're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.